Here's a 2011 Toyota Avalon. This gorgeous sedan offers superb refinement and supreme comfort with standard amenities like dual-zone climate control, a power glass sunroof, power heated mirrors, and a premium sound system with MP3 input, satellite radio, iPod integration, and steering wheel controls.
The high-quality leather seat trim enhances the style, comfort, and durability of this vehicle's seats, ensuring an enjoyable drive. Keep your attention where it's needed and let the rain-sensing wipers maintain a clear view. The multifunction steering wheel helps keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel.
Thanks to its silky smooth suspension and tight build quality, the Avalon glides effortlessly over bumps and holes, giving you ride comfort that's out of this world. Experience it for yourself today.
Buy it from Bob. Bob Richards Toyota is located just seconds across the river at 5512 Jefferson Davis Highway in Beach Island, South Carolina.